Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and I've got another unbagging for you today. So, before I get into this, I just want to say hi to all my subscribers, and if you're new, thank you for joining, and if you're just watching but haven't subscribed, please consider hitting the subscribe button and joining my channel. So, I hope everybody's having a great day, and let's get into this unbagging. Now, y'all know, if you've been following me, how much I love my gnomes. Well, y'all, I got another one. So, it is poured glue. I'm going to roll this backwards. Alright. So, I got this one, which puts me in mind, I call it summer gnomes. I don't know what it's called, but that's what it puts me in mind of, is just summer. So, all right, in this canvas, or in this kit, you get 2 pins. One has got, I think this is a 7 or a 9 placer, I'm not real sure. You get a thing of wax, you get your pin squishy, a green boat, and a couple baggies. Alright, so up here on the top, you've got your thumbnail, you've got your number, your, what is that called? Your canvas number, and the size, which is a 30 by 40. So this number is also going to be on your baggies of drills. So if you put these in a separate place, you'll know that these drills goes with this canvas. All right, we have a thumbnail, which if you can see that, that's what it's supposed to look like. Then we have a schematic on the top left and on the bottom right. And there are 34 colors in this, y'all. That is a lot. So we're going to be doing a lot of confetti. They are DMC charted. And we are going to be working with numbers, letters, and just a few symbols. All right. So, let's go ahead and look at the drills. I just think it's so cute. And I just love gnomes. They're just so fun and whimsical. And I smile every time I see one. Okay, so we're just going to run through these real quick, and this is a round diamond painting. So we're going to have some blues and some browns and some reds, some orange reds, yellows, some grays, there's some purple, some bluish gray, some greens, a lot of greens, and some more brown orange, and some yellow, some blue, another brown, and then we have more orange, pink, white, some reddish, orange, blues, and some browns, and white. Alright, so those don't look bad at all. So let's go down and check out this drill field. And it's very sticky. Now, I only gave, I think it was $4.98 for this canvas, because I like to catch them when they're on sale. So, as far as the drill field, I think it is extremely clear. Looks very good to me. Looks really good. So we have got 2 gnomes. There's a butterfly and there's a butterfly. We've got a bird. We've got mushrooms. And it looks like this gnome is sitting on something, maybe a piece of wood, like a log, because here's his feet. And then this one's holding the bird, and he's standing. So I just thought it was very cute, and just puts me in mind of summer. So, all right, so what do y'all think about this one? Have y'all done this one? I think, for the most part, I have more gnome canvases than probably anything else as far as a collection. I still need one for, what is it? I think Halloween and Thanksgiving. I still need a couple holidays, but yeah, I thought this one was cute, and I had to add it to my collection. So, all right, y'all, just a short little video showing y'all this one. And what do y'all think? Let me know. Let me know in the comments if you've done this one, or if you want to do this one, if you like gnomes, if you don't like gnomes. So, all right, y'all. I hope everybody has a great day, and until my next video, I will see y'all later. Bye, y'all.